Oh, I'm pregnant.
Ito ang aming official day 2 trip.
I'm starting to think that we do things way too differently to take this.
Ito ang aming official day 2 trip and first location. Initially, ito yung ating makikita kasi dito kami sa may eastern region.
But things don't change, they stay the same. I've gotta go my own way. Yeah, things don't change, I've gotta do better than you.
Ngayon po ay dito tayo sa old second destination. Official day 2 tour and second destination namin dito sa eastern region.
You're all about you. On and on, talking all night long about you.
Bato siya. Tapos pinatong na lang din. Actually marami sila. Ito lang yung medyo may kasi mukha siya. Yun kamay nakahawak ng something. Ito naman ay parang bungo ng hayop. See? Ang dami nilang ganyan. So we're about to go to the next location. Hello, Benazan! So this will be our third venue sa aming tour. Dito po si Marjan. Ito po ay lake. So ngayon ay titingnan natin kung ano yung lake nila dito. Woo! Part of the lake. Yeah! So nandito tayo sa isang part nila na coffee shop. Coffee shop siya pero sira na. So ito po yung lake niya.
I've been looking for love that I want in my life.
Hehehe! Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak nila. May snow sa ating likod. Kasi top of the mountain na po yan. So thank you Lord! I experienced. Naarawan tayo dito sa Georgia. At naka-feel tayo ng amoy ng Pasko sa Georgia! Yay! Yes guys, nandito na po kami sa aming fourth stop. Dito na po tayo sa winery. Magte-taste wine tasting. So, your wine will be distributed all around Georgia or international also?
Not only Georgia, we produce wines only for our lands. We have own vineyards, and we also have some exhibitions and exports in abroad. 29 countries we export our wines, and the biggest market of our company is China.
China. The COVID.
That's a type of grapes, right? Oh, wow.
Looks good.
Hello guys! So for today, ay nandito po tayo sa mismo vineyard ng kanilang mga grapes. Ang sinasabi po ng ating tour guide ay magkaiba po siya. As you can see, meron po silang mga label dito wherein it's indicated na iba-iba yung like ano sa bottle nila. Medyo patay yung mga grapes nila kasi ano siya, winter. Now, or it's coming to winter, so that's the reason why wala tayong makikitang mga grapes. Merong mga bunga actually. There are fruits. I can pick. Guys, meron po ako na pick up. Kainin mo natin. Masarap siya. Sarap. Grabe, nakaka-amaze yung mga grapes. Ganito pala talaga sila. Grabe. They're so sweet. OMG. Where's the cellophane? Like Sharon. Where is the cellophane? So we're back on the cave.
So, boys, first of all, welcome Winery Khareba.
Thank you.
My name is Nini. I'll be your local tour guide here. And really nice to meet you. Official part. So, this cave is cut off the mountain. Here I would like to show you how it looks like before we build. Clay. One of those main reasons why it contains marble and granite, it was built in Soviet Union time, and for the building they used dynamites and bombs explore method to build this tunnel. 7.7 kilometers middle of the mountain. Boys, these glass pipes used in the past to transport wine. It's a wine transportation tubes. Now let me show you the special wine line which our company have. Only one separate wine line. Name is Chateau Libardiani. Here you can see Georgian kings, queens, local, and itself in Chateau Libardiani's wines. Product that you can try here, it's a grapeseed oil. As I'll explain, in
This one?
Georgia, Winery Khareba is first company we start to produce grape.
Ito, try natin. White talaga na yun. Pero masarap.
A few moments later.
Aman ang driver! Nahubog na. Nahubog na ako. Hindi magpasesa. Hindi mas magpasesa. Ano na pero. Kinabog chick na si Ox. Huy! Hey guys, ito kami sa monastery. Pang second to the last venue namin. Yan, monastery po. Sa akin dito. Ay! Ang lamig dito.
Let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever. These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.
Pero ngayon ay kakain kami doon sa restaurant. Ito yung restaurant na kakainan namin. Nikala Restaurant. Kakain kami dito. Barbecue, kebab, fried.
May isa na ka beef kebab ito, ma'am?
For our dinner for today.
Isa na ka beef kebab?
Nag-beef kebab ka din? Bakit nagdalawa ka? Ito beef. Beef kebab siya? Kebab. The bread, the tea, the sauce. Which one is one?
Bagat.
Bagat?
Bagat.
Huh? This one?
Ay! Dila!
And then the bread,
Beef also? Or no?
the soft drinks, and our tour guide, Becca, and Marjan, and the restaurant. So this would be our official last location for second day. So it's called City of Love. Pero murag Ko kaangay ani ila. Ko kaangay ni ila kuan venue. Kay bagan uno ani. Ay jari ko ani ila tagpa kuan pa si atab na
Ini ra ka
statwa.
picture na to.
Statwa.